Once upon a time, in the quaint coastal town of Mathews Bay, a legend was born. It was the story of the 7 extraordinary brothers, Jack, Liam, Noah, Ethan, Owen, Samuel, and Benjamin, who stood as the town's last line of defense against the menacing U-boats of Hitler's Nazi regime. In Mathews Bay, the sea was their lifeline, and the U-boats threatened to strangle it. The brothers, known for their indomitable spirit and unmatched bravery, hatched a daring plan to turn the tides of war. They converted their fishing boats into sleek, deadly vessels armed with secret weapons and ingenious modifications. Under the cover of night, they set sail, their boats cutting through the choppy waves like stealthy predators. Their mission was not just to protect their beloved town, but to strike fear into the hearts of the U-boat captains who believed they were invincible. Each brother had a vital role to play. Jack, with his uncanny sense of navigation, led the fleet with unparalleled precision. Liam, an expert in underwater warfare, devised strategies to outmaneuver the U-boats. Noah's mechanical genius brought their weapons to life, while Ethan's sharp mind concocted tactical plans to outwit the enemy. Owen, the fearless diver, plunged into the treacherous depths, disabling enemy vessels from below. Samuel, the master of disguise, would infiltrate the U-boat crews, sabotaging their operations with cunning and deception. And Benjamin, the marksman extraordinaire, picked off enemy sailors with deadly accuracy. Their encounters with the U-boats were fraught with danger and high-stakes battles. They faced enemy fire, relentless storms, and even a daring escape from a sinking submarine. But their bond as brothers and their unyielding commitment to their mission propelled them forward. Word of their heroic exploits spread like wildfire, and the town rallied behind their fearless defenders. Mathews Bay became a symbol of resilience and defiance, a place where ordinary men transformed into legends. The Mathews men's relentless pursuit of justice began to take its toll. They faced injuries, exhaustion, and the constant specter of death. But their determination never wavered. They fought for their families, their friends, and for the freedom they believed in. With each victory, Mathews Bay reclaimed its rightful place as a safe haven. The U-boats began to fear the 7 brothers who had become a symbol of hope. The Mathews men had become legends, not just in their town, but throughout the land. The war eventually came to an end, and Mathews Bay celebrated the return of peace. The 7 brothers, forever etched in history, were hailed as heroes. Their exploits became the stuff of legends, inspiring future generations to believe in the power of unity, courage, and friendship. The tale of the Mathews men reminds us that even in the darkest times, ordinary individuals can rise above their circumstances to become legends. It teaches us that when we stand united, no challenge is insurmountable, and together we can overcome the greatest of adversaries.